guys, do you know how to say I'm so tired in Thai? We say ฉันเหนื่อยมาก One more time ฉันเหนื่อยมาก ฉัน means I or me used by female. If you are a male, you can say ผม So I'm a female, I will say ฉันเหนื่อย means tired มาก means very So I'm so tired or I'm very tired you can say ฉันเหนื่อยมาก Okay guys and if you would like to ask are you tired you can say คุณเหนื่อยไหมคุณ means you เหนื่อย means good job and ไหม is a yes no question word so you can ask คุณเหนื่อยไหม are you tired okay guys thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in the next video so don't forget to subscribe my channel for the next video thank you guys bye bye